how to change specific group notifications light color on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change specific group notifications light color on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just select any group you want, like this one. Click on it and click in the top here, and now just click this one, custom notifications. Click on it and then light. Here you will find it, and here you can change it. You can make it red or any color you want. Just click on it, and that's it. As you see now, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.